I'm now gonna play some Super Mario Maker 2 on my Nintendo Switch.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Originated from the EAS local primary station, for the Vyond City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warnings, toxic material releases, nuclear plant incidents, or other state or local emergencies that affect your safety, official messages will follow the alert tone. This station serves the Vyond City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now receive local programming.
What in the S name? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my game on my Nintendo Switch. That is extremely rude. That does it. I'm gonna kill the man who's responsible for all that.
Dark Twister bro, I clearly do not know what on God's name you're mad about, but you really need to shut your lips and quit whining like a. It literally annoys me when you always complain about.
Dad, please. I really do not have time for your nonsense now. I'm now extremely furious with that.
When Dark Twister bro got to the studio.
Young man. What on earth's name are you doing here? And why do you have a gun pointing in front of my whole face?
Oh, zip your pie hole and do not move a muscle, you sack of crap. This is what you'll deserve for ruining my game of Super Mario Maker 2 on my Nintendo Switch. So I'm gonna kill you immediately.
And now, since you're dead, you do not keep make the emergency alerts. Western uses intrusion like Nintendo games never again. So, enjoy being dead to be a
Dark Twister bro. Why in the God's name did you kill the emergency alert system reporter?
It's because I was so I NG Fury to solve because he interrupted me in the middle of Super Mario Maker 2. That's the reason why I had to shoot him to death.
Well, I do not even give a. Young mister, you're grounded for 10 months. Go upstairs straight to your room immediately, you fat boy. Or else I'll send you to Belgium.
Wow.